Okay, I'm back, and in the previous segment we were talking about how big the universe was, and we used these things called astronomical units, which was the distance from the Earth to the Sun. We talked about the light year, which was the distance that light could travel, traveling at the speed of light, for 1 year. And now let's take a look at the universe and see how big even these numbers can get. So that, for example, the distance out to Pluto is 40 astronomical units, or about 5 light hours. So it takes light from the sun about 5 hours to get out to Pluto. And you can see that it's 0.00057 light years. Then Alpha Centauri was 4.22 light years. Then, what about if we wanted to go to the middle of our galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy? That would be 28,000 light years. So that means that light originating from the center of our galaxy is going to take 28,000 years to reach us here on Earth. Then if we want to go to the Andromeda galaxy, that's 2.5 million light years away. And then we said that galaxies are in clusters. So the next cluster next to us would be 10 million light years away. And then we said that clusters were in superclusters. So the next supercluster is 107 million light years away. And then how big is the universe itself? So we think that the diameter of the universe is somewhere in the neighborhood of 150 billion light years across. And you're wondering, well, how do we know that? Well, we'll find out later. You're going to get tired of me saying the word later. But later, we're going to find out how some of this stuff is measured. And then some of you might also be wondering, but light is as fast as you can go. And so the age of the universe, we think, is somewhere between 12 and 14 billion years old. So how could light have traveled 75 billion light years? How could it do that, going at the speed of light? Well, again, we're going to find out that the universe is expanding. So space and time are expanding, and that expansion doesn't have to obey going faster than the speed of light. So that's the explanation for it. So just hold on to those questions, and later in the course we will address them. Okay, let's take another break, and when we come back, we're going to talk about how old the universe is.